In a world where hopium and common sense collide, starring the CryptoKeeper and BlockchainCrusader. Welcome to Debate Crypto. Question everything, trust nothing, except XRP, baby. Put them up. We got an XRP video. Let's just dive right into it. You guys are going to love this. Stick around for the whole thing because I got some info. All right. So we've got RippleNet listed as direct alternative to SWIFT by Arab Monetary Fund Group. An advisory group from the Arab Monetary Fund has listed RippleNet as a direct alternative to SWIFT. It's almost as if somebody has told you that before. Weird. The Arab Regional FinTech Working Group has recently released a practical guide for Arab central banks looking to understand the nuances of the burgeoning digital assets market. Arab Regional FinTech Group report Central Bank Digital Currencies, a practical guide for Arab central banks. It mentions Ripple as an alternative system in 2 places. That's right. The working group advised Arab central banks to improve their messaging protocols using systems such as Swift GPI and, drumroll please, RippleNet. This comes just 2 days after the revelation that the clearinghouse, a known Ripple partner, is collaborating with Wells Fargo to produce an alternative payment system to Swift. Pause. Check this out, guys. A lot of times, as it relates to XRP, let's be honest, there is a ton of speculation. A ton. Now, there's also a lot of what I will call moon boy predictions as it relates to, but here's the facts, okay? The facts are XRP is not going anywhere. XRP is in business with a lot of different institutions, 40-something institutions all across the globe. The only reason the price is suppressed the way that it is because how much weight is carried, how much the rest of the world views what the SEC and this case is, the possibilities behind what it could do to Ripple. XRP, though, did something right when they started. They went after the banks, and you can like it or you can hate it. You can be myself and love what they're doing. You can be Miguel and absolutely despise it. Call me a bootlicker, whatever. The reality is the banks aren't going anywhere, okay? And with that being a reality, let me reiterate, that is a reality. It's not that I wouldn't vote for a decentralized, system infrastructure moving forward, but the reality is the banks aren't going anywhere. And because they're not going anywhere, I'm going to make money as it relates to Ripple, as it relates to specifically XRP. Check this out. We're going to go a little bit further into this. Ripple's XRP is unique. The paper also specifically named Ripple XRP as a unique cryptocurrency insofar as it was one of the first designed primarily for payments, in contrast to most crypto assets which were labeled as speculative stores of value. Including a direct link to Ripple's Future of CBDC report, the advisory paper clearly sees Ripple as having a serious role to play in the future blockchain-based global financial infrastructure. Here's the fact. The fact is XRP has its place in the, great reset, assuming that something like that happens. The reality is we are moving towards a digital future. We are moving closer and closer to fiat currency being a thing of the past. The US dollar is headed towards zero. So the reality is XRP provides a solution that is faster, more effective, and cheaper than SWIFT. That's it. Case closed. Let's get this case over with. Let's throw up the XRP logo, the XRP sign, if you will. Boom, bam, slam. Question everything. Trust nothing except for XRP. And until next time, hodl like it's hot. I love you, crypto fam. We'll see you soon.